Guys, welcomes you back. This is Rajesh Nayak again showing you a video about how to extend a router on a LAN network. Just see, today's our topic is how to extend a router on a LAN network. I have two routers. One is Netgear Genie, as you can see, and I have second router that is Binaton WR1500N. View. Both routers IPs are different. Just look. It's 192.168.1.1. It's 192.168.0.1. These IPs I am showing you about that when you are going to access both routers on a same interface, then you should put those routers on a LAN network on a single interface. First of all, just go to the network router, Netgear router, and open its internet point. I have to sign in again. Go to advanced, setup, LAN setup. Just see what is this LAN interface IP. Its LAN interface IP is 192.168.1.1, and it's DHCP server who will play a vital role in this video. Just see, its DHCP is starting from 160 to 254. It means it will play a vital role. I'll tell you in this video. Just go to Binaton router. Now as you can see that I am on the wireless network as well as LAN interface, but the LAN is showing that it is limited. It's not showing us that internet access. On the Wi-Fi you can say that it's connected. It has internet access. So guys, what to do right now? On the Binaton router, just open and go to the network. It will show you dynamic IP. No need to change it. Go to the LAN interface. First of all, change its IP. Its IP series should be in the same router IP on what the LAN interface you are going to be use. It is 192.168.1.1. In this series you will have to use the router's IP over here. I am going to put it over here, 1.20, and save this. Okay, it will reboot right now. Just look at here what I have given the IP, that is 192.168.1.20, and here is the DHCP IP is 192.168.1.160 to 254. It means the IP whatever you are going to be give your router, that should be out of the DHCP pool, not into the DHCP pool. It is the main factor, because when you are going to access any device in the DHCP pool, it can be conflict on the other device. It will be same time if the both devices are connected to a single IP. Just open it. Look at here. IP gonna change 192.168.1.20. Go again to the network. LAN. It's okay. Go to the DHCP. It's 1.100. No need to change. What are you now to do? You will have to do just disable the DHCP server and save this. Yes, what I've told you, just disable the DHCP server and save this and click here to reboot. The router will be reboot again. It needs some time. Just hold on. It's rebooting. Router reboots completely. Go again to the network. Wireless, it's Binaton 110724. I'm not going to be change its SSID. I'm going to change its password. Its default password is right now this, and I'm going to be change to be its default IP 123456778. Now its default IP is 123456778. Okay. Every time whatever I have to change, I'll have to reboot this router. Different routers have different functions. As this router is showing us on every step, we'll have to just reboot it. But on other routers, need not to be reboot again and again. It's rebooting 72, 74, 79%. It's 100% completely. Now DHCP is disabled. IP is in the same series. Just whatever you have to do, see. I have a LAN cable. Who is coming from my router. I'll have to just put it down in the router's LAN port, not in the WAN port. Again I am repeating it, in the LAN port, not in the WAN port. Now see what will be happen. Just look at here guys. I'm putting this in LAN ports, not in WAN port. It is the WAN port and these are the LAN ports. And I'm putting it in LAN port. I have inserted it successfully in the LAN port. Just look, I have inserted it successfully in the LAN port. Now see what happens. Just wait. What happens? Look at here guys. I'm right now connecting with Nayak, which is coming from my first router. It is Binaton. Its password is 123456778. So guys, here are the steps by which how to extend the router on the LAN network. Step 1. Open the router and change its LAN interface IP in same series in which LAN is working. It means you need to just change the IP in the series in which your first router is working. Second step, extended router's IP should be out of DHCP pool. It means it should be in the out of DHCP pool. It need not to be in the DHCP pool. If it would be in the DHCP pool, then IP could be conflict. Step number 3, DHCP to be turned off in the extender router. The router, whatever you are going to be extend, its DHCP should be turned off because it will take the DHCP from the first router from which you are going to be extend. And step number 4, it is the last step, put a LAN cable in any LAN port of extender router, not in the WAN port. It means put the LAN cable in the LAN port only, not in the WAN port. Then you could found that your LAN has extended to the LAN network. Now guys, look at here what I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you that now I am connected to Binatone 110724. It's connected. Just go here and check out its NIP. It's working fine. And I can also open here Netgear router because these two routers are in the same interface, same LAN interface. It's working fine over here. You can see I can access both routers. Its IP is 1.1 and Binatone's IP is 1.20. And let's check internet is working or not. Just type google.com. Wow, it's working fine. Thank you to watch my video. Just share and subscribe it. Thank you.